Tyson?
Needs more rakers.
More rakers. We pulled the rakers down. It reckons wants more. Well, it's not pulling in.
Nah, it's not pulling real hard.
Not pulling real hard. I've taken down 2 swipes. So, and the chain is very, very sharp. Yeah, so I'll take it down a bit more and we'll see what happens. So Tyson,
It's running like crap.
it's running like crap, you reckon?
Yeah.
So Tyson, pulling better now?
Yeah.
Yep. So it was bogging in a few times. What was that? Just hard timber?
Hard timber, me being too aggressive.
Too aggressive, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, so we've pulled the rakers down on it. We just want to try it in some hard timber. We don't want it to start bouncing on him and start, sort of gripping too bad. So we're just taking 2 swipes down. We took a gauge and did it. So it should be fine now, but we've never taken the rakers down on this machine, so to make it pull harder, let it go in it's by itself, but it is very, very hard timber. Yeah, otherwise, you happy with that saw, Tyson?
Yep.
Very happy? Or not really?
Very good.
Is it your favourite saw? It is? Really? What about the Husky?
Huh?
What about the Husky?
Which one?
The big one?
No, this is still better.
You reckon, eh? That can't be right. Really? Yeah, what about a 500i? Would you like one of them?
Yeah.
Why?
Because everyone says they're light, powerful.
What's the difference between that saw and a 500 though in weight?
I don't know.
Don't know. Yeah. We haven't operated one.
500 would be lighter.
It should be lighter, yeah.
Because I felt them in the shop.
Well, he reckons he's felt him in the shop. That's the only way he knows. But really, when you get out in the bush, you'll know it better after handling for a little while. But yeah, we've got seriously hard timber here, and it's been burnt. So you can only imagine it wants to buck a little tiny bit. But I'm too scared to take him down any more on the rakers because it will wreck the chuddy chain on it and cause that, it's not good for the motor or the engine, sorry. But yeah, Tyson. So I can't believe you say it's better than your Husky. Really? What about a new Husky? What about a new 500 series one? Would it be better or worse?
500 series.
No, well, the 5 Series, sorry.
572.
A 572, that's what he really desires, a 572. What do you really desire, well?
500.
A 500, a bloody still. It's rude. If you just bought a 55, you'd be right all the time, you know. You just could cover all bases. The old Husky's little 55, she's a mighty machine. No, don't think so.
No.
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next round.